10 days? Who are you kidding? Let's see where this is going. Little problems with this video. Why don't you put down the comment where you think they are before I tell you what I think. She has great glutes.
Wow.
I approve. So problem number 1, gaining muscle is a very slow process. For you to see some visible muscles, you need at least maybe 3 weeks, 21 days, not 10 days. Some people, it's actually 4 weeks, but she says 10 days. I don't know. Problem number 2, you can tell from the way she's performing those exercises that those glutes, they were not gotten from those exercises. She knows. Okay, they were not gotten from the exercises alone. I know this. Look at her form. Look at that. Check it out. You cannot get this kind of, ladies, there is no girly way to perform exercises. You need to perform exercises just like boys. You need to follow the same rules as boys do. There are lots of nuances when it comes to exercises, but let me just summarize. Number 1, diet properly and supplement when necessary. Sleep well. Proper form while training, which would also include full range of motion. Excessive overload. Yes, increase the weights. There's nothing wrong with the exercises that this girl is doing. If you really want a big you should be implementing some weights after maybe 3 weeks or 1 month of starting out your program. Just like this other girl. I am not saying that you should ignore the first girl or accept the second girl. All I am saying is that if you want to grow your glutes, you need to follow the rules of bodybuilding. Choose your preferred exercise and train like a queen and not like a princess. If that makes any sense.